Hey guys, just got back in town and I finally got the package I've been waiting this whole month for, the S22. So I'm gonna quickly do a little unboxing with it, I'll set it up, and then I'll be back for a first impressions. So yeah, let me grab my knife and let's get the unboxing started. All right, let me cut this. And there's a, oh, I should blur that out. Woo, okay, so we got the S22 box over here, and I actually got a silicone case to go with it as well. And that's just some order information, so I'll take that out of the way. All right, I'm actually gonna open up the case first because I wanna leave the phone till last. So let's open this thing up. All right. Wow. Case actually looks really good. So I got mine in the red silicone version, and oh wow, it feels really good actually. And it's really bright red, which I actually like because it's colorful. And inside there's like a velvety layer to protect the phone from scratches. So yeah, feels good and solid. All right, let's open the phone now. Let me cut this up. All right, let's open this. Oh wow, okay, the box opens really quickly. This looks beautiful. Oh, I ripped the plastic thing. Okay, whatever. Oh my God. It looks so good. I love the flat edges. It kind of reminds me of the iPhone 13, and it feels really good in the hand. And it's also really, really light. Huh, cool. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. So inside the box, you get a box with a SIM ejector tool. I'm assuming there's a lot of paperwork in there. Yeah, and also a USB-C cable, so that's good. And obviously no charger in the box, so you're gonna have to get one yourself. And yeah, just some paperwork inside. All right, let's peel this thing. Let's peel the back first. Hope you guys can hear that. And let's peel the front. Oh, that's satisfying. All right, and let's open this thing up. Oh my God, this just looks beautiful, guys. The white, the Phantom White, I'm telling you, man. It looks so clean. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna go charge this up and I'll set it up and then I'll be back later for the first impressions. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Alright, I just used the S22 for around 24 hours now, and I've got to say that I'm actually enjoying my experience quite a lot. Just holding the phone by itself feels amazing, and I usually prefer larger phones, but I would say that the smaller screen on the S22 is just the right balance. In fact, it's basically identical in dimensions to the iPhone 13, and it's 37 grams lighter than the iPhone 13 Pro, so the phone feels like a feather. They've even got similarly shaped flat edges, with the S22 being slightly rounder, which makes the phone feel fantastic in the hands. The buttons on the side are also really clicky and perfectly placed, and I also love the silver rings on the cameras as they really make them shine. On the front, the 6.1-inch display is a joy to use so far, and it gets really bright, it's vibrant, and the 120Hz feels super duper smooth. And for those of you worried about the small screen size, I would say not to worry because I can read all the text without squinting, and playing games or watching videos don't feel too claustrophobic either. One issue I do have with the phone, however, is the fingerprint sensor. After I installed my screen protector on the phone, the fingerprint sensor just stopped working properly, even after registering my fingers multiple times. So if you guys are thinking of getting a screen protector for the phone, make sure to check the reviews and also see if anyone's having issues with the fingerprint sensor. As for the rest of the experience, I haven't really used the phone much, but One UI feels smoother than ever with its 120Hz optimized animations, super quick app launches, and no bugs that I've experienced yet, which is great considering the Pixel 6 is riddled with bugs. Oh yeah, the haptics are also amazing on the phone, like iPhone level amazing. Battery life wasn't so great yesterday, but keep in mind I was downloading apps the entire time. I mean, my Pixel 6 didn't get much more either with normal use, so yeah. I'll definitely make sure to test the battery hard for the next few videos. Alright, switching over to the cameras, this is 8K video recorded straight from the S22, and the audio you're hearing is from its microphones as well. So let me know down below how the video and audio quality is. As for the photos, I didn't really get much time to play around with the cameras, but they all seem pretty impressive so far. Also, next week, I'm going to be making a camera comparison with the S22 versus the Pixel 6, so we'll see how the cameras stack up during then. And I guess that's it for now. I'm gonna go spend the rest of the day playing with this phone because it's awesome. Feel free to ask me any questions about the phone you may have in the comments down below, and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for some awesome S22 coverage coming your way. You won't regret it. Alright, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.